वेंचणुके दोन पार्ट्यांमदी तरातरांची कोफसावां दिश्टी पडटात। मडगांव आणि न्हावेली सद्याक आम आदमी पार्टी आणि तृणमुलाच्या दोन फुलांमदी पोस्टर वॉर सुरू जाला। आपाच्या ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा कुतीदोन परवानगी घेनासतना बॅनर लावल्यांक एक्सपोज केल्या उपरांत थंयचे टीएमसीचे बॅनर नाच जाले। जाल्यार न्हावेली कांय कडेन कोयराच्यो राशी जाल्ल्यो दिश्टी पडटात। प्रतिमान थंय वचून उतरांची सान मारली।
मडगांव नगरपालिकेची कायदेशीर परवानगी घेनासतना टीएमसीन मडगांव आणि न्हावेले पक्षाचे बॅनर आणि बावटे लायल्ले। आम आदमी पार्टीचे उपाध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा कुतीनोन तेका हरकत घेतली। टीएमसीचे मनीस कांय कडेन परवानगी बगर रातच्या वेळार बॅनर लायतना प्रतिमान रंगे हात धरले। परवानगी नासतना बॅनर लायिल्ल्यान कंत्राट घेतिल्ल्यांक ते काडचे पडले। सॉरी मागिल्ल्यान प्रतिमान तांकां सोडलेय बी। पळयात हें सॉरी नाट्य।
Hey, रुको रुको रुको।
Show your face, huh? Show your face. No, why should no, don't show your face. Why are you like a kid?
Why should we show?
No, show your face.
No. Permission to record.
See this, it is 1:30 in the middle of the night, and these guys were just placing TMC banners here without having NOC. I don't know. There's somebody called VJS and some Vinayas, and they are so called. They're saying that they are from TMC. We asked them whether they have NOCs, and they're saying they don't have NOCs. What is this? Keso Raju, who is promoting this? Which leaders are promoting this? Luisin Falero, Chachil Alemao. This is illegal. Look at this. We have made them remove all the banners. When we do, हम नावेली कायद्यान पंचायती को परमिशन घेन, हम जन कायद्यान परमिशन घेन बॅनर लायताय, आमगे बॅनर काटाय। आणि हिंगा एनओसी नासतना मारगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी एरिया ए क्लास म्युनिसिपालिटी हिंगा बॅनर लायताले आखे बोर्दा जावं ओल्ड मार्केट सगळे कोणे हेंका आम काडपा लायला, विच इज इलिगल। वेन वी क्वेश्चन देम हिंग कोण गोंयकार नाय, हिंग कोण आसलोले, हिंग आसलोले सगळे भायले। Do you all have the NOC to put the banners here? Do you all have the NOC to put the banners here? Without NOC of the municipality and the panchayat in Margaon municipality area and Navili area, who has given? See that. It's only because of us. See that. It is only because of us. They're all coming out. That's why. Then kalpa lela. चोऱ्या मशीन लायताय पूण हेंचे कोण एक्शन घेयना। धांवताय चोऱ्या मशीन धांवताय। That's why. Now you have to talk and tell me who has given you the permission? Who gave you the permission, sir? Who gave you the permission?
Ma'am, we are just professionals doing our work.
Yeah, you all are professional doing your work. You all are being paid to do your work, but you all need NOCs, right? When Aam Aadmi Party with permission with municipality and panchayat does it, we have been tortured and harassed to remove it, and you all are professionals, you all are doing it for money, but without NOC how can you all do it? So there's some godfather who is helping you all out. Please don't do this. Take legally, take permissions and do it. Don't be like luteras and robbers. You all are not Goans.
Ma'am, we understand, ma'am. We're sorry for that. We'll take.
You are saying sorry, so I'm leaving you all now.
नावेली मतदारसंघात जाल्ल्या कोयराच्या दोंगरांकडे प्रतिमान लक्ष ओडला। पळयात। गोवा 365 ब्युरो, मडगांव।